Hello everybody, Christian the Tardigrade Hunter here. Today I'll be showing you how to find tardigrades. So to find a tardigrade, first you'll need to go outside and collect some moss and then soak it in water for about a couple hours. And then you'll need to suck it up with a pipette and let the sediment sink to the bottom. And then you'll take a clean slide and put it on the slide. And then you'll take a clean cover glass and put it on the slide like so, and then put it into your microscope. To find the tardigrades, you'll first need to start off on a low magnification so you can see more. Then you'll want to look around and look for movement or any shape that may look like a tardigrade. And if you find the shape, you'll want to go into a higher magnification and then confirm that it's what you're seeing. And there are many species of tardigrade, and this one here is called a heterotardigrade. They are slightly smaller than regular Eurotardigrades, and they also have small little hairs attached to them. They use these hairs like a cat's whiskers when they move around to sense debris and other organisms and such. They're also a lot more fatter than ordinary tardigrades. Tardigrades were first described by German biologist Johann Goetz in 1773. He first gave them the name Kleiner Wasserbear, which translates in English to little water bear. This tardigrade I have found here is called a Eurotardigrade. Specifically, it is a flat-bodied Eurotardigrade. There are a little more on the common side of tardigrades that you'll find. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy tardigrade hunting.